Pele. I'm sorry for all the harsh words my parents said to you. I didn't mean for that to happen. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault, Chisom. You're just a child. I don't hold anything against you. The gods heard what they said. It is left for them to decide whether or not they would do anything about it. It's not your fault.
Oh, Malaysia,
everybody,
Ijenu,
oh, but
you know what, my beautiful wife? For making me this happy, take this plate inside. I am taking you to that best bushmeat and palm wine joint. I want to go and surprise you there.
Ijenu.
Are
you serious? You want to take me out?
I want to go and surprise you.
Hey! Hey!
Ijenu.
You know you're a good man.
Yes, of course.
You're a very good man.
Yes, of course.
Manona agodi katakwa pasale genisi.
Oh, you are
no longer Otobo.
Just take this thing inside. Let me go and surprise you.
You want to surprise me?
I have plenty calories. I need to go. Are
you serious?
Yes, of course.
Today will be a good day.
Today, I had a go.
Before the Buga. I'm telling you.
Come on, go. I'm full. Yes, no. Instead of me to die, let me vanish into the air.
This palm wine is fresh.
Very, very fresh.
Me, sir.
I promise you the best as my lovely wife.
You're taking care of me, my husband.
My brothers, I have something, a very wonderful story I need to tell you. You see those times our village masquerade used to destroy people's farm, steal people's pot of soup, stealing goat and fish and all that. I was the one that stole those stuffs. Those pot of soup, but more Zulia.
One name. So you were the one that stole my mother pot soup?
Exactly. Oh, more Zulia. Drink up my wife.
One Obodo. Obodo.
Who is that? Is that Ogezie?
Something like that.
What, Obodo?
Ogezie.
You? Oh, here you are. Enjoying yourself, discussing, having a good time. You are supposed to be on the farmland that I paid you for. You're supposed to be working on my farmland at this moment.
Okay, sir. Are you aware that you are disturbing a beautiful moment I am having with my lovely wife here?
We should not enjoy ourselves.
If I may ask you, how much do you pay me?
Because you paid us for job.
No. Are you the first person to pay me for me to
Play his farm.
Eh? Who What's the problem?
Nolumayo. Do you have money? I paid you, and you're using the money I paid you to bring your wife to a palm wine joint. Okay, can you let me have the money now?
We're enjoying
No, if you
ourselves
are
now.
too big, that the money means nothing to you, can you return the money here and now?
Okay, so go home. I will come and meet you later, or do not like in Wangu. Dioba. Yangu come and go.
Hey, bro, hey. The money.
I don't have it here. I don't have it here. Don't disturb. Don't.
When will you give it to me?
Don't worry. You can go home. I will talk later. Go home. You are disturbing me and my lovely wife, please. We are having a beautiful moment together.
Somebody cannot even enjoy.
Mama.
Mama.
Mama, good morning.
Hey, look at my children. Mama. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Chebube. Welcome. Come there.
Hey, Mama.
Hey.
Mama, we have come to present this to you as custom demand for new season.
Yes, Mama. We thought bringing plenty of food is the best way to start the season right.
This is too much. This is great. Hey! May the gods of our land bless you both.
Say,
Hey! Your barn will always overflow.
say,
Your marriage will be fruitful.
say,
Your home shall have no sorrow.
say.
Chekube, my daughter. The gods of our land will always fulfill your heart desires. Your kind heart will never be in vain.
Thank you, Mama.
Hello.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you
Agonia,
very much.
I'm so proud of you.
We appreciate your prayers.
Hey!
Thank you.
And Mama, I hope you enjoy your food too.
Enjoyment, is it a small? This is huge enjoyment. I'm already enjoying.
Mama Biko, let me help you too.
Okay. Hello. Hey! Nah, I bring this one. Bring it. Hey, whoa! Hey!
Mama, good afternoon. Welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm fine now. Welcome.
I will tell you.
Yes.
I will tell you
Yes.
for the new season.
Yes.
So this is the foodstuffs.
Yes. The foodstuffs.
We brought for you.
What is this?
Mbaji. Plenty mbaji.
Yes.
Eat so that you will not go hungry.
Is this what both of you could afford in this season?
Is there anything wrong with it? We brought plenty food stuff for you so that you will not go hungry.
Yes.
And Milaji.
So what should I call this?
Foodstuffs. Jinu.
G?
We brought you plenty
Foodstuffs.
Mbaji. So that you will eat and not go hungry.
Yes.
Did we commit any offense?
Who said I am hungry? No, who told you people that Nollywood can even go hungry? Be calm, please. Take this thing out of my compound. Ijenu, go and enjoy yourself. Oh, no bother. Enjoy yourself.
I don't. What is the meaning of this insult?
Your mother is just too ungrateful.
Your son.
What kind of a woman is this? Do you know the suffer? I'll fight her. Do you know the suffer we went through? I don't blame her. When last did she go to farm? All she know how to do is to relax. That's why she does not value or appreciate us. I don't blame you at all.
Can you farm?
You're just too ungrateful.
Can you farm?
Why are you people shouting on my head? Yes, I am ungrateful. I don't want to eat. Oboku! Eri, Oboku!
Mama! Let's go with our stops.
If you dare why you will not see us in your company.
Never!
Thank you.
You will never bring food stuff here again.
Thank you. It's better like that. Oh, go with your sick yam. Even the yam is as sick as both of you.
Okay, the yam is as sick as both of you.
Let's go.
I'm just respecting her because she's your mother. I'm just respecting her.
You will never see us here again.
You will not come back again.
Ungrateful woman. Agro make again over
Hey! Kaku. Kaka.
Afan, please now. Just add 2 more calories. This vegetable is too much for 5 calories. Please.
So I should add 2 more calories.
Yes, make it 7. Eh? Just look at
It's too much now.
Look at the quantity I'm going to give you. And they're all fresh.
But the one I bought last time is more plenty than this one.
No, now. Look at it. Eh? Very fresh. All for 7 calories.
Good morning. It's for sale. Very fresh. See you. They are for sale. Everything in my basket is for sale.
How much are your vegetables?
Manchuangu, hanchanine, they are for sale. And let me tell you something. They are all fertile. Even my basket is fertile. If you think I'm lying, buy from me. When you get home, plant it at your backyard. It will grow overnight. Oh, poor zibo. Almost go borrow mo benine. Buy from me.
So how much am I giving you?
It's just 10 calories. Both the basket, everything.
But I have 4 calories here.
Okay, bring it. 4 calories.
Okay, I should give you.
Bring it, no problem. Okay.
My mother will be pleased.
Thank you. If you think I'm lying, when you get home, go and plant some at your backyard. You will see what I'm telling you. Everything about Ijenu is fertile. Even that basket you're carrying, everything around me is fertile. Everything about me is fertile. Everything about me is fertile. Unlike some barren witch that cannot open their legs very well and get pregnant for their husband. And they say, fertility everywhere. Everything about it is fertile. Hey. Kidding, this on your face is like this.
Ijenu. I have discovered the next place we are going to steal from. In the shrine.
Okay,
Yes.
Sorry, come again.
I said I have discovered the next place we are going to steal from. In the shrine. Nabezemo.
Yeah? Are you sick?
I am not sick.
Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Oh, I say you want to die young.
I am not ready to die.
You want me to be a widow at my young age?
May the gods forbid.
So why do you want us to steal from the shrine?
Good.
Of all places, the shrine?
Yes, shrine. My love, I passed by Oji shrine. I saw plenty food items. Plenty. Like a goat, fowl, yams, plenty items. You know what they said? That all those items belongs to the gods. Eh? I keep wondering which stupid gods, which hopeless gods. Do they have mouth? The gods will know. Can they eat? Can they cook?
Utubu, you are correct. Because the last time I checked, the ghost does not have mouth.
The
ghost does not have eyes.
They don't have eyes.
The ghosts are not even humans. They are spirits.
They don't even exist.
So why are people taking foodstuffs to the gods?
I am wondering.
You know what? I think we should help the gods and eat the
You are now talking as my wife.
We have to act fast.
Immediately.
Yeah. Go and be packing everything.
Look at. I see the gods. Look at the arms.
Hey! Do you know why I'm here? Why doesn't it take you?
Very useless good. No. The gods Imagine what the gods want to be eating.
I don't understand.
The gods.
Gods
Do they have mouth? I should be the one eating this year. I'm not the gods.
You go the gods. How do you go down?
Ada, want to come and join us? Come and eat.
No, I want to go and see Mama Nuku.
No. Where did you?
Go. Gawa! Go and see Mama Nuku. Because let her not shorten the food. Although Mama Nuku nyani.
Mama Nuku nyani gori.
Hey. I am not dizzy head. So we have to go and
take it. I saw the need the ghost. Everybody will go the ghost. You know. On those at the same time. You know Daria? Do you hear that sound? Hey! Oh, video. Oh, video. My stomach. I thought they don't have eyes.
What happened to you two?
My daughter, I don't know.
My stomach is hurting.
Okay, let him go and get the mat.
What do we want? What do we want? What do we want?
Ijenu.
What do we want?
Ijenu. I don't understand. When did this start?
Nah, we were eating.
I am not a Joseph.
And I didn't know. Before you know it, our stomach
started hurting us. Yes, you know.
And we continue eating.
Before you know it,
I
want fufu.
Our stomach
started rising.
Started swelling. Onaza.
Your son. Your son caused it.
I don't understand this. Hey! Hey!
Hey, Ijenu. Hey. Yeah.
Mama, whatever it is wrong with them. Must be very serious. They've been crying since we got here.
I think they are stealing from the wrong person.
Hey.
This is not normal. The gods can only punish those who step on their toes.
Right.
My son, I agree with you. They must have meddled with what they shouldn't have. Who knows what they have done? Or Who has done this to them?
We will not do anything.
Let's take them to
the shrine.
What exactly is wrong with them?
No. We don't want to go there, please.
Please, remove all this shrine. That is more his fate.
It's fake.
I would suggest you should take us to
somewhere else.
Another village, or better still,
yes,
invite another native doctor from another village to come here.
And
but don't take us to
Oji. He's not a good person.
He's a fake. He's a fake agent.
Yes, he's a fake.
Hey. Another DB, eh?
Yes.
How can you suggest such a thing? Eh? Don't you know the state you are into? Bano, by the time we will take you from this village to the next village, you will die. It's a long journey to make. So we don't have to.
Okay, right. Let's take them to the shrine.
You just said that nonsense now.
I don't blame you.
Ijenu.
Mama.
Hey!
She's making mockery of me.
Why would you say such a thing?
Let's go.
Go! That is the only thing people know how to do.
Are they leaving us?
They should go. When we also have Balulu.
What's that? Are you leaving your
Let them go.
Let me ask you. If you keep behaving like this, who will help you?
You, of course. Are you not my mother-in-law? You are my mother-in-law and he's your son.
Yes.
So we are your responsibilities.
Yes.
You will take care of us.
Okay.
You help us. Jesus.
Hey. Sorry,
Jesus.
my wife. Sorry, my beautiful wife.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey.
Jesus. Come and help me. I want to ease myself. Come on. Go and help your mother. We go do anything. Come on. Come and help me stand up. I want to ease myself.
Come and help her, please. Come and help my beautiful wife.
Mama, if you haven't chased everyone away with your bad mouth, maybe someone would have come to help us. But look at you two now. I'm only stuck here with both of you.
Jesus.
Come and help your mother.
Jesus. Come and help your mother. I'm in pains. I want to use myself. Why are you telling me like that? Why are you telling me like that? Do you want to kill me? It's a little negative. Oh, my body is paining me. Take it easy, please.
Mama, what do you expect me to do?
Yes, Nazu, don't need leggy. Follow back. Yes, Nazu.
Come and help her.
Nazu,
On the back. Chisom, where are you? Hey.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Stand now.
Take it easy. My body is paining me now. Chisom, take it easy.
Mama, stand.
Chisom, don't kill my wife for me, please.
Chisom.
Hey. So where is the food?
Chisom, bring the food.
Chisom.
No.
Where is the food?
Your food is ready.
Chisom, come and help us now, please.
Because you know we can't feed ourselves. Please.
What happened to your hands?
My hands is paining me. I cannot even move my hands.
Please, Ah! Biko, don't do this to your parents. This is your parents.
You two are even lucky I'm doing this for you too. After all you have done for 2 people.
Please don't talk to your parents now.
Should have left you two to starve.
Please don't be rude to your parents. It's not because we're in this condition.
You know I'm...
Take. Open.
Hi.
Open.
This one. Please now.
Mama! Papa, take. Papa, eat fast.
Okay.
Chisom.
I don't have all time.
Chisom, blow the yam. Please, it's too hot. It will burn my mouth. Please. Chisom, I'm your mother.
Mama,
Chisom.
take. I've blown the yam. Papa, open your mouth.
My love, please. We cannot abandon them like this. I know Ijenu's words are very cruel. But then again, let's show compassion. For the sake of Chisom.
Compassion? After what she said? After calling you barren in front of everyone? Now you want us to help them? They deserve everything that is happening to them. So please, allow me to talk about it.
Obim, I know what she said hurts. But it's not about her this time. Chisom is just a child. She has been taking care of them all by herself. If we leave them now, we will be punishing her indirectly. Please, Pico, for Chisom's sake, please.
For Chisom's sake. Just for Chisom's sake. It's fine.
Thank you. Can we go and see them now? Please.
Ijenu, you have finished me. Which kind of stomach is this? God suffer my land.
Please help me. I have done everything, but they keep getting worse. Please, I don't know what to do again. Please help me.
Who is that? Who is that? Oh.
Please help me, please.
My lovely brother, you're welcome.
You two are lucky that Chikube and Chisom begged on your behalf. If not, you'll still be lying down here. We are taking you to Oji's shrine, whether you like it or not.
Please, my brother, Oji is not a good man. He's a bad person. Don't take us there.
Take them anywhere, please. I'm tired. Please, just take them anywhere, please.
Chisom, stay with your parents. Let's go and get help for your parents. Okay? Stay with them. We're coming.
Chikube. Hey. What's this time, my lovely brother? Where are you going?
I'm going to CJ.
Chikube.
Your lovely brother has abandoned you.
Chikube, our beautiful wife.
Meregere ekpochie. You are cursed. Your hands are stained with something that does not belong to you. you stole from the shrine. And to appease the gods, you have to bring 10 tubers of yam. 2 goats. Yes. And 7 fowls.
Because I know that the gods do not have mouth.
Oh, I want you be on a time. I happy ya. God your fever cause.
I told you people not to bring this man here. That is fake. Instead of him to tell us that he's hungry. Ononeba 10 tubers of yam.
7 goats.
7 goats. Who eats them? The gods do not have mouths.
They don't even have eyes.
They don't have eyes.
You can't even talk.
Who eats them?
Gbakọ hela mmadụ bara mmụọ. Mmadụ ejighị agbakwuru onye iro ya. It is done. The sacrifice has been accepted by the gods.
Thank you very much, wise one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You may now go,
Thank you, wise man. Thank you so much.
May the gods be with you, people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome, Gbakọ hela mmadụ bara mmụọ. Mmadụ ejighị agbakwuru onye iro ya. Maka na sị na nwata bulie nna ya elu, ngwongwo na ngwongwo. Ọbịa.
This palm wine is fresh.
I'm telling you. I know, boy.
The meat, okporo ọfụma.
Yes.
Mekwa ka gị taa.
My people, we know very well that some village enemies of progress are spreading rumors about us.
Calling us thieves.
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 Yes.
But let me tell you, we don't care.
We don't care.
We don't guinea. We don't
care whatever they say about us.
We know that we are not thieves.
Yes.
So if they like, let them spread the rumors round this whole kingdom.
Yes.
As long as a woman to come and say it in our presence.
You know, people say that when someone is afraid of you, they always talk at your back.
So when people are afraid of you, they talk. They cannot
at your front. You know, in life, anything you do, people must talk.
Yes.
People must talk.
Yes.
Anything enjoyment, let us enjoy ourselves. One name, your palm wine is very fresh.
Ijenu mo afuru ngena ya mura gigebi. Ijemo afuru ngena ya mura gigebi. Esi gagi gana mura gigebi.
Manupu, please save me.
Chisom?
Manupu.
Chisom, again, what is it?
Please save me.
Chisom!
Yeah. Ijenu again, what is
Come back
it?
here.
Eh?
Mama, release that child to me now.
I will not.
Ngwasam.
What has she done that you're treating her like it?
Mama, this is between mother and child. Nana.
Gini Mezie, why are you chasing her like a thief? Eh?
Mama, what is your business now?
She's now under my protection.
Protection?
Sean.
Under your protection?
Yes.
No man, Kemu. My own child that I carried for 9 full moon. One year for Tiakoko. Not your protection. Chisom, you might give me now some.
Things are not done this way. She can never leave my back. No, she can never leave here.
Mama, what is all this now? What is all this? I am just respecting you, oh. Mama, I am only respecting you. Makanebu, Nedimu. If not. Mama, you know me. You know me very well. Chisom, respect yourself now. Follow me.
Stay here.
Mama. Mama.
You better beat both of us.
Mama.
No, beat us. Beat me.
Asokata anya. Ebulu kata nisi gwi oku, Mama. Asokata anya, Mama. Chisom.
Biko. Ijenu.
You see it? Come here. You see what I'm saying? Go. Lugani. I've been warning you, telling you to leave my child for me. Ejo. Kitani wobina kametogi iluana. Ida chai kunie. Follow. Ngogiya. Una.
Hey. Chimo. Ijenu. Hey. Ewo Ijenu me maru. Hey! Ofiawa, what kind of mistake Obodo, my son, made in marrying this woman? Eh? This is a miserable mistake of marriage. Hi! Asokwa.
We are not here to fight. We just want the right thing to be done. The money we use to appease the gods for you. Please.
Hey. Ijenu, it is only right to give us what we used for your sickness. Please, just give us our money back.
Lanya, listen.
Did somebody just talk?
I don't know. Like your husband said, he is not here to fight. We are ready to fight. In fact, we prefer fighting.
We're ever ready.
We don't want peace. After all, we did not ask you people to do anything for us. Leave our compound now.
Bam! Did we ask you people to help us? Mba! Did we ask them for help?
No!
So why are you, what are you talking about?
Yes.
Because me, I don't understand it. We should give you which money? We should give you which money?
Pay us back.
Pay you back how?
As simple as that.
Yes.
Do
you have any child?
Do you have any child that you're training?
Yes.
No! You should concentrate in making your wife pregnant. Channel this energy in getting your wife pregnant. Not coming to tell us that we should pay you. Barren people.
Yes.
Get out of this place.
Please, get out of our house.
Nonsense.
Okay, it's fine.
Get out! Look at everywhere smelling barrenness.
Go, please, just go.
Go! Now you messy. Barrenness. Smelling everywhere.
Go
and channel that energy.
Yes. Go and get your wife pregnant.
Osimu, we should pay. Guinea.
We are not paying anybody.
Mama, we did everything for Obodo and the wife. We provided all we had to appease the gods. Now they refuse to pay us back. Why? Why, Mama?
And they're even acting as if they're not owing us.
You get?
They're acting like we did all of that for free. My children, you will not understand. As a mother, I'm already tired of Obodo and his wife. Not only are they troublemakers, they are also ungrateful fools. Where do we start to carry them?
Mama, they should pay me my money.
They have to pay you, because I will go to their hut and ask them what color is their problem.
Mama, please do. We suffered to provide those items Oji demanded. Honestly, it was not easy for us.
My son, please calm down. I understand. I really do. And I promise I will talk to them. Oh?
There is no problem. We should be going.
I'ma take care.
Please do not allow this to happen me.
No problem, Mama. Please tell them.
It's okay.
Obodo.
I will. Hi! Obodo. Where is his problem coming from? Where did he inherit this? Maybe it's from his name. Obodo. Obodo. What kind of name is that? Maybe his name is just working against him. Because I want the father when he wanted to name him Obodo. What is the meaning of that? But he refused to listen. Now the whole thing is bodoing on my head. I'm facing the consequences of his name. Obodo.
Ijenu, listen to me. Ijenu, don't try me this. See, don't even try me. Don't even. Ijenu, don't you.
Avoid you.
Avoid me.
You are very useless.
I am very well.
Everybody move.
Do you know the name of both of you? Diala. Two of you are seriously mad.
Oh.
That's what I'm seeing. Mad people.
Mother of a mad man.
I'm gonna try to be on his yard.
Okay. Obodo. So after everything your brother did for you, after what he and his wife did for both of you,
yeah.
Now you refuse to pay back. Ogini?
No. Let me ask you one question. Did I ask Osita to help me? In fact, Ijenu, did we ask Osita to help us? No! If Osita did that out of his own free will, why should he ask me to pay back? Why?
Instead of Chekube to concentrate on bearing her husband's children,
Yes.
with the money?
Yes.
Okay, shut up, you. Shut up. Because you still need training. You still need Obogu. You need training.
Mama.
You need training.
Mama, wait. I know that truth is bitter, but I will say it. Chekube is a witch.
Yes.
Yes.
Amusu.
Kopu.
Yes. Yes.
She has eaten all the children in her womb.
Everything is
gone.
Yes.
Instead of you to concentrate.
The other one is not even potent.
I can see that. Even your next name is even concentrate. Yes, your next name again is concentrate. After mad woman. Just look at you. Look at you, Ijenu. Let me tell you, this world is not as you see it.
Otu akodi.
May the
gods forbid. Yes.
Tell her to bear her husband children.
Yes.
Meanwhile, Chekube is not the bone of contention here. Do not try to wave it away. What you are here for is for you to pay them back what they spent on you both.
Odro.
That's why I am.
Odro.
We don't have
Ega Nago, we have responsibility.
Yes.
Now we want responsibility.
Yes.
What is your responsibility?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, it's something. All this let him hear.
Let us do it.
Let us go and do it.
Even the people that fool their houses with children didn't see them. You are making one shouting of just one girl. I have not seen even a man. Nobody to replace this house. By the time you get to my age.
I'm going to at least I've given birth to one. To show that I am fertile.
Yes.
To show that I am fertile.
Yes.
I am not here to help you run your madness. Run it alone. But let me tell you, Biko, you people should start paying now.
Paying.
Or I will summon the elders for you.
Yeah.
Even the gods or the entire community. Whatever it will take me, I will do.
No, you should have summoned Chukwuabiam as well. You think I'm scared? Okay, put up my Let me tell you something, eh? If you put a
Never. I am not paying shishi.
Ijenu, I brought you something, Chekube. I noticed that it's not like I noticed. I know that you have been battling to conceive. So I brought you these herbs to drink. It will conquer your barrenness. It's not like it's my business. I'm only trying to help. Ngwan, have it. Buru?
Ijenu.
Yes?
How dare you?
Oginekwa?
How dare you walk into my house and insult me? I have had enough of this nonsense. You better stop it. Is it my fault that I cannot conceive? What's all this?
I was only trying to help. Look at someone I'm trying to help. I see you enjoy being barren. You enjoy your condition, right? No problem. No problem. I'm sorry for coming to disturb you. I brought you herbs that will conquer your barrenness. And you're here shouting at me.